Hi dear friends, how are you? I hope you must be fine. And what about your life? It must be getting along fine day by day. So dear friends, it is 11th of June 2021 Friday. So who are you looking for? Are you looking for me? So don't you worry about it. Now I'm here, I'm talking to you. So do I need to tell you my name? No. I don't think so that I need to tell you my name, because the way you are looking for me uh, on Google or on YouTube, so now I'm here. So dear friends, long time no see, and where had you been for so long? Don't you worry, now I'll be here, I'll be talking to you daily. And dear friends, one thing more, you'd be happy to know this, that I have created one YouTube channel. Its name is MSK English Language. So please subscribe the channel and like, share and comment. If you want to watch me, and if you want to listen to me daily, obviously you will be getting the same things what you used to get. Now you don't need to worry about anything, just I keep worrying about you. Dear friends, I know I know that you do miss me. Many times you have searched me on Google or YouTube and you couldn't have found me. The way I was searching my mentors, my gurus, and some of my best friends, I tried to uh, look for them on Google and YouTube and other social media. Some of them I found, and some of them still I didn't find them. Still I'm writhing for them. I need to talk to them. I want to meet them again. I want to see them. The pain I was feeling, I thought, same pain you must be feeling. So I thought, I must come on YouTube, and I must let you know about me. Dear friends, meeting after a long time, so you can see that I'm getting older day by day. Earlier I used to be young and cute, and I used to have very charming smile, but no longer now. Yeah, one thing is same, that is black shirt. Black color is my favorite color, and still I have got this one. So before recording this video, I put on this black shirt because most of the people who are uh, what should I say, who are uh, touched by me, and they still love to watch me in black shirt. And a lot of people used to call me like Devanand, and sometimes some of my friends, they used to call me Rajpal. So, oh my goodness, gone are the days when we used to enjoy a lot. I do miss. I do miss. That was the prime time of my life. That was the prime time of my life. But dear friends, after 10 or 12 years later, again I'm just trying to recalling all those memories, and I'll be giving you the same things. I'll try uh, at my level best, so don't you worry about it. And I'm pretty happy after talking to you. Yeah, my complexion, it's been changed, it's been converted. you know uh, I'm just getting older day by day, but the ideas are same, the style is same. The ideas are same, the style is same. If you do miss, then please subscribe our new channel MSK English Language, where you'll be learning all the tips of spoken English and soft skills, communication skills, and blah 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 blah. What to tell and what not to tell, you know already it. You know and you knew, both are correct. Dear friends, what again I think that this is the time, and all of a sudden I thought that I must talk to you today. Only I thought about it, and all of a sudden I came, and even I haven't prepared what to speak and what not to speak, but it doesn't matter. I'm pretty happy that I'm talking to you after a long time. So dear friends, now I'll be giving you any new video. The fan following what I got, I'm just because of you. So I'm not mentioning my name here, because what is kept in the names, like William Shakespeare already has written, and he says that what is kept in the names. No need to mention here my name. You know me and I know you. So dear friends, thank you very much, and please be in touch by, there are so many ways you will be knowing day by day, but first of all you are requested to subscribe the channel MSK English Language, where you will be getting all the things what you used to get. I'll try at my level best to entertain you and to give you a lot of knowledge about English vocabulary, pronunciation, sound expressions, personality grooming, interview skills, soft skills, communication skills, group discussion, so many things, so many things. Once more, it is 11th of June, Friday, 2021, and this is your friend, but here people know me by the name of Mukhtiar Singh Karnawal, Alwar, Rajasthan. And what's my that name? You know, and not to a voice. Thank you so much. Good night, because it's time. I must tell you time. It's more than 10. So that's why I'm saying that good night, and sweet dreams, and see you later, and ciao.